Most women have no idea that the shampoo they trust every morning could quietly be damaging their hair from the inside out. While you're standing in the shower thinking you're doing something good for your scalp, harsh chemicals may already be weakening your follicles. Right now, your hair might be thinning, your part might be getting wider, your ponytail might feel lighter, and you may be blaming age, hormones, or stress. But what if the real problem is sitting on your bathroom shelf? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the hidden mistakes that are silently triggering hair loss in millions of women. And more importantly, I'll share what actually helps hair grow back stronger. Some shampoos are filled with ingredients that strip away your scalp's natural protection. They leave it dry, irritated, and inflamed. When this happens, hair follicles go into survival mode. Growth slows down, shedding increases. One of the biggest offenders is a harsh cleanser found in many popular brands. It creates lots of foam, so it feels like it's working, but in reality, it removes the natural oils your scalp desperately needs. Other shampoos contain preservatives that imitate hormones in your body. Over time, they can confuse your hair growth cycle and push more strands into the shedding phase. And then there are artificial scents. They may smell amazing, but they often contain chemicals that irritate the scalp and disturb hormonal balance. The worst part is that most women never connect their shampoo to their hair loss. They keep switching products, they keep spending money, and nothing changes. But once you understand what's really happening, everything starts to make sense. Let's talk about what's happening on your scalp every time you wash your hair. When you use a shampoo filled with strong detergents, it doesn't just clean dirt. It removes your scalp's protective barrier. That barrier is there for a reason. It keeps moisture in and irritation out. When it's stripped away, tiny cracks form on the surface of your skin. Inflammation begins. Your follicles become stressed, and stressed follicles cannot produce healthy hair. Now think about this. If your scalp is constantly irritated, even slightly, day after day, week after week, what do you think happens over time? Hair becomes thinner, growth becomes slower, breakage increases. Then there are parabens. These are preservatives added to make products last longer on shelves. But inside your body, they can act like weak hormones. They interfere with natural signals that tell your follicles when to grow and when to rest. Over time, this confusion pushes more hairs into the shedding phase. You notice more strands in the shower, more on your pillow, more on your brush. Artificial fragrances are another hidden danger. Many contain chemicals that trigger low-grade inflammation. You may not feel burning or itching, but inside your scalp, damage is happening quietly. And let's not forget about overusing clarifying shampoos. These products are designed to remove buildup. Used occasionally, they're fine. Used too often, they create chaos. They dry out your scalp. Your oil glands panic. They produce extra oil. Your hair gets greasy faster, so you wash more often, and the cycle repeats. This constant back and forth exhausts your follicles. Imagine trying to grow plants in soil that is constantly flooded and dried out. Nothing thrives. That's what happens to your hair when cleansing becomes too aggressive. Many women think washing more will fix thinning, but sometimes it's what's making it worse. The good news is that once you remove these damaging habits, your scalp can slowly recover. And when your scalp becomes healthy again, your hair finally gets the environment it needs to grow. Now let's talk about what actually helps your hair become stronger and fuller. Some ingredients don't just clean, they support your follicles at a cellular level. One of the most powerful is caffeine. When applied to the scalp, caffeine stimulates hair roots. It helps wake up sleepy follicles and protects them from hormone-related damage. Another important ingredient is saw palmetto extract. This plant compound helps block DHT, a hormone linked to hair thinning in women. When DHT is controlled, follicles stay active longer. Then there's niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. This nutrient improves blood flow in the scalp. Better circulation means more oxygen, more nutrients, more energy for growth. Keratin protein is another key element. It strengthens the hair shaft. When strands are stronger, they break less, they look thicker, they hold volume better. And biotin supports keratin production inside the body. While it doesn't magically grow new hair overnight, it helps existing strands become more resilient. But products alone are not enough. How you treat your scalp matters just as much. Massaging your scalp for 2 minutes during washing increases circulation. It brings fresh blood to follicles. It delivers nutrients. It signals your body that this area needs support. Use your fingertips, not your nails. Gentle pressure, slow movements. Over time, this simple habit can improve growth patterns. Your diet also plays a major role. Hair is made of protein. If you're not eating enough, your body prioritizes vital organs over hair. Iron carries oxygen. Without enough, follicles weaken. Omega-3 fats reduce inflammation and support scalp hydration. When these are missing, no shampoo can compensate. Conditioning matters too. Applying conditioner to your scalp can clog follicles. It weighs roots down. It traps residue. Always apply conditioner from mid-length to ends. Let your scalp breathe. Small adjustments like these create big changes over time. They turn hair care from surface-level cleaning into true follicle support. One of the biggest mistakes women make with hair loss is expecting instant results. Hair does not grow like grass. It follows a slow biological cycle. When a follicle is damaged, it needs time to heal. When inflammation reduces, it takes months for growth patterns to normalize. That's why real improvement usually appears after 3 to 6 months. Not 3 days, not 3 weeks, 3 to 6 months. This is where patience becomes your secret weapon. Most women quit too early. They switch products too fast. They never give their scalp a chance to recover. But consistency changes everything. Using gentle shampoo, avoiding harsh chemicals, supporting circulation, eating well, sleeping enough, managing stress. These habits work together, and slowly, quietly, they rebuild your hair from the roots up. If you've been struggling with thinning, remember this. It's not because you failed, it's not because your body betrayed you, it's because no one taught you how to care for your scalp properly. Once you remove the silent irritants and replace them with supportive ingredients, your follicles can breathe again. They can rest, they can repair, they can grow. Start by checking your shampoo label today. If you see harsh detergents, artificial scents, heavy preservatives, consider switching. Choose products with caffeine, plant extracts, vitamins, gentle cleansers. Massage your scalp, nourish your body. Be patient with the process. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Your hair is part of your story. It reflects your health, your strength, your journey. With the right care, it can become strong again, and you deserve to feel confident at every stage of your life.